LFSE enclosed fiber laser cutter famous for its high speed and precision. The cover can hover freely in any position, easy to open and close, easy to maintain. The platform can be pulled to facilitate loading and unloading more convenient. Enclosed design prevents dust from escaping, more safety. The real-time monitoring system monitors the processing process and observes the processing progress of each link. Control screen simple operation, intelligent drawing, automatic layout. It can efficiently cut carbon steel, stainless steel, copper, aluminum and alloy, titanium and alloy and other metal materials.